go to your phone settings. Scroll all the way down to where it says About Phone. Tap on About Phone. Tap on Software Information. Now you have to tap on Build number 7 times to enable developer options. As you can see, I already enabled it. Go back. Back again. Move a bit down. There you see developer options. Tap on it. Scroll down. Now we'll change the window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale, all from 1 times to 0.5 times. Finally, you can now experience that your mobile device is now running smooth and fast.